Food Inspired is a small little shop that carries kitchen gadgets and gourmet food and offers social cooking classes. Food brings people together, and that's the reason I decided to open this. There's great joy in food, especially good food. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it does have to be prepared well. And that's my hope, that I'm able to either teach a class that will bring some knowledge to people, bring very well-trained, experienced chefs in to do what people conceive perhaps as being complicated. They are not. Port Hope for me is home. I feel it's important that we support where we are. So we provide wholesome, nutritious, gourmet food at an affordable price that people keep coming back for.